because it has a tendency to get caught and slap, you know.
And cut you.
Not cut me, but cut the piece.
Oh.
Dangerous to the piece.
Not to the human. Okay. Well, hey, if it grabs it, you know, if you're not paying attention, you could hurt yourself.
So it's I guess that's flat enough. Damn close. That's okay.
That's looking good.
We're damn close. So, I'm gonna let this go for a while. I only want it to. Here's my needle. I only want it to about there. See the needle line? So that's about where I want it. And then, so in an hour or so, when it gets firm enough that I can cut it without it,
like it collapsing.
Yeah. Yeah. Then I'll do that. But that'll be in an hour or more. And then I'll, depending on where we're at, I'll, if that's enough that I can actually put it in my hand and physically, oh yeah, it fits or not.
Okay.
You know?
Then that way you'll know.
Yeah. And then I'll cut off all the excess off the top of that. And then I had a great idea for what I'm going to do for the handles and the lid stopper. Since we're going to do that texture, I'm going to make big flat sort of rings like flat washers.
Oh.
And that'll be boom, boom, boom.
Ah.
So, anyway, so I'm going to let this go for.
Okay.
Just turning softly and
ever so slightly.
Set this guy out of the sunshine so that he dries
evenly.
Yeah. There we go. Okay.
All right.